Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, we're going to open up another monthly subscription from the Dollar Bead box. And of course, I will have links for both the box and the bag down there in the description bar below the video. Here is the bag. I'll do this one first, like I always do. Ooh, I love that blue. That's pretty. Okay, these are the 4mm and these are the 3. The first one on the list is 3mm Crystal Blue Zircon. And then there's mint white, luster, tangerine, and transparent cobalt blue. So this one must be the crystal blue zircon. My camera's blurry. It's very pretty. It's actually a clear bead that has this finish over top of it. And then is the mint white luster. This is gorgeous. This is a really pretty strand. It's kind of pearly looking, actually. That's a really pretty strand there. And then there is the tangerine, which I don't know why they call this tangerine, because tangerines are supposed to be orange, right? This is definitely yellow. I would actually call this mustard, because it's a very, like, bright yellow color. And then there is transparent cobalt blue. That's pretty too. And all of these are the 3mm. And now for the 4, we have winter blue, which is this one here. And this one's really stunning. That's a really pretty blue. And then we have opaque turquoise metallic blue. This one here. And I think I got this one last month in the 3mm. This is neat. And it looks like this blue finish that's on this turquoise bead is the same finish that's on the crystal bead. And then there is opaque, no, we already read that one. There is evergreen. This is a nice green. This is a very different green from what I have in my stash. The green I have is like olive green, and then I have one that's oh, it's a different shade. I don't remember what it's called. I think it's emerald green. That's a pretty color. And then there is matte garnet, which I think I got this last month in the 3mm. I want to say, or maybe I got it in 4. No, it's 3. Yeah, that's right. Very pretty strand. Okay, now I'm going on to the box. Oh wow, there's some neat things in this box. What is this? This is new. I've never seen a finish like this. Oh wow, that's so cool. So this is like etched on the stars. I can feel the roughness of the stars. That's a really neat bead. I love that. And this is like the biggest Czech bead I've ever seen. It's huge. That's really pretty. Okay. I need to pay attention to what the list says instead of digging through everything like I always do. Alright, so I'm going to start out with the strands. Ooh, I like that one. And then we'll go on to the packs. Okay, the first thing is 5mm Czech glass flower spacer. And these are flowers. Matte purple luster, 35 pieces. Oh wow, this is very different colors that I've like ever seen. It's like matte. It's not shiny, and I'm thinking there's probably a coating on it. It's a really neat finish. It feels cool. But it's a little flower bead. I have several videos where I've done, in case you don't know, I have like a flower vine bracelet video that I did where I took Czech flowers and I made a bracelet out of it, and I also made necklaces with the flower vine technique. So the next thing is 4mm Czech glass English cut. These are English cut. Matte silver, 25 pieces. These are neat. And then we have 3 by 14mm Czech glass owl. 3 color combination, 9 pieces. I've used these before in a video. Love the turquoise one, that's my favorite. I think this one's my next favorite. That's really pretty. They're really cool owls. And then there is 6mm Czech fire polish matte silver. This here, and there's 20 of these. Very pretty. These metallic colors are so popular right now. And then there is the 4mm Czech glass Druck smoky topaz. This is pretty. Topaz though, I don't know about that. It kind of looks gray, but I guess that's where the smoky comes in. And then there is this strand here, which I really love. 4mm Czech glass Druck blue luster, and there's 36. That's a very pretty color. Okay, and now for the packs. 28mm Czech glass tabular circle with peacock finish. This? 28mm, yeah. It's bigger than a quarter. So yeah, this is it. So this is the one I was drilling on earlier. It's a neat piece. And then there is 16 through 18mm magnesite skull, turquoise or white, 1 piece. So here is the skull, and if you've watched my videos, then you know that I love to make jewelry with these skulls. I've made an awesome ring. I think I just wore the ring in my last video with these skulls, and I've also done bracelets with them, bangle bracelets. So if you haven't seen those videos, go to my YouTube channel, click on videos, and you'll see all my videos come up, and you can go through all of my videos and you'll see a picture of them. You can watch the video. But yeah, these beads here are so cool. I like working with those. The next thing is 8mm silver plated spring ring. That's these here. There's 100. And I've really been building my stash with the dollar bead box. They send these all the time, different sizes, different colors. Colors that for the longest time I couldn't find in the store, like antique brass and antique copper, colors like that. So it's always nice to get stuff like that. And now we're looking for 18mm pewter resin blank. What? Pewter resin blank. Oh, this. Silver plated, 1 piece. So this is like a bezel. It's silver plated. That's cute. And then the next thing is 18mm pewter. No, I already read that one. The next thing is 13 by 15mm pewter Hansa. Antique copper plated too. So I've got these before in a silver color. It's actually a bead frame. These would be awesome for earrings. Just see the hole right there. You put the head pin down, put a bead in the middle, and I'm thinking it's like a 6 or 5mm bead that will fit in there. The next thing is 12mm Swarovski Rivoli. Oh my gosh, there's a Rivoli. This is the first time that I know of they've ever put a Rivoli in here. And this color is called Aquamarine Volcano. 1 piece. Oh boy, I'm feeling a ring coming on. It is small though, 12mm. That's pretty. So I'm going to try to do something with that Rivoli. The next thing is 16mm antique brass toggle, which is this here. toggle closure. And then there is 14 by 20 millimeter antique brass connector. These here, and I've already used these. I've gotten them before in antique copper, and I've used them in a necklace where I made a beaded flower with things from the dollar bead box. But these connectors are cool. I like those. Okay, and then the next thing is 16 by 24 millimeter 3-strand connector, antique copper. I think I got these last time in silver. They're really pretty. And then we have antique silver elephant, which is this guy here. And I think he has a spot to put a crystal in his eye. It looks like. Yeah, he does. Right there. See the hole? I can put a crystal in there if I want to. That's neat. My mom loves elephants, so I'll probably end up giving this to her. Hopefully I'll have a stone to put in his eye. And I am wondering if I could put a cabochon or something right here in his stomach, because it looks like it's made for a stone like that. Maybe I'll have a resin piece that I can put in there. And there's also this ceramic bead here, which I've actually gotten this from a previous, the same bead from a previous dollar bead box. It's a really neat bead. It's huge. It's 18 by 26 millimeter hand painted porcelain, beige with khaki, one piece. It's a really cool bead. It's so heavy. Alright, so this is all the stuff that I got. And I am wanting to work on a ring, so hopefully I can come up with an idea for a ring. This is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so you get notified when I upload new videos, and like me on Facebook. And don't forget to share pictures of the jewelry you've made from my videos on my Facebook page, and follow me on Pinterest. Thanks for watching.